9 viewers. Hello po. 11. Santa Marina. Hello sa heart, heart. Thank you sa heart. Santa Marina. Lucy Warren's World. Thank you so much. Sakit na aking paa. 11 viewers and 9. Hello po. Thank you sa 9 likes talaga. Thank you, thank you. Puran Prakas. Puran. Hi, friend. Hello, Puran. How are you? I saw you on Ate Orang's live. Good evening po, host. Good evening din sa'yo, Puran. Good evening din sa'yo, Puran. Thank you so much, Puran. Puran, did you like the live? Please double tap the screen. Double tap. I saw you, Puran. I'm doing it. I saw you, Puran, always on Ate Orang's live. Wait lang. Oy, alam mo Bisaya? Amo Tagalog? Di ba from India, Puran? You're from India? 11, 10 viewer, 10 viewers and 9. How about you? I'm good. Yes, India. Yeah, I know because I saw you on Ate Orang's live. You told her na you are from India. So, I know that you're from India. Twenty-two and 9. Hello po. 22. Thanks for reminding. Okay. 16 and 9. Shout out. 5 minutes na lang, guys. I only have 5 minutes more to go. And isang oras na. Sana talaga abot ako ng isang oras. Bukas hindi ako makapag-live na maaga kasi punta kami ng bundok. Manguha kami ng gulay. So, sa Sunday is wedding of my first cousin. Same age kami. Ngayon lang siya ikakasal. Mabuti nga siya kinakasal. Wala pa. Kaya ayun, busy-busyhan ang babae sa Sunday. Hindi ko alam. Baka makapag-live ako ng umaga or like gabi. Kasi ano na ako. May pang-live na ako. Kung Poran, congratulations 22k subscribers. Yes, Poran, because I have short video. Ano bang tawag doon? I have short video. Nagvo-viral siya. And then, my subscriber is blow up. Like that. From 2,000 subscribers to 22,000. Like that. In 2 weeks. But now it's not. I only have 2 subscribers in a day. Sometimes no subscribers. But still, live pa din, upload pa din, kahit walang views. Makulit si Inday eh. Makulit sa YouTube. 22 view, 20